Cooking a fully cooked ham, the right way.
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hams, specifically, fully cooked ham. If you've ever been unsure about how long and at what temperature to cook your already cooked ham, worry no more. We've got you covered.
Why do we cook fully cooked ham again?
It might seem redundant, but reheating fully cooked ham can make it juicier and amplify its flavor. Heating also ensures it reaches the right internal temperature for serving, making it safe and scrumptious.
What's the ideal temperature?
For the best results, you'll want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. This temperature ensures that the ham warms up gradually, keeping it moist and retaining its delectable flavors.
How long should I cook it?
The cooking duration largely depends on the size and type of your ham. However, a general guideline is, for a bone-in ham, cook about 15 minutes per pound. For a boneless ham, cook about 20 minutes per pound. Always aim for an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius for pre-cooked hams. Use a meat thermometer to be precise. There you have it, folks. The perfect method for reheating your fully cooked ham. Remember, 325 degrees Fahrenheit and adjust the time based on the type and weight of your ham. We hope this guide helps you serve a mouth-watering, juicy ham at your next meal. Enjoy and happy cooking!